Hey, what's up guys? I'm gonna unbox and review the new LEQISMART A6L budget electric scooter. I've reviewed one of their other scooters in the past and it's actually very good considering the price of this thing. So I've unboxed this upside down because I'm awesome. But that's okay. I will still take it out. So it's definitely on the lighter side, which makes it super portable. Comes with an Allen wrench and some screws for the handlebar. Comes with the user manual showing you the setup guide, the specs, and just how to fold and a few other things. And it comes with the power adapter. It is 100 to 240 volts. That's what it looks like in case you guys are wondering. Okay, so the handlebar, you need to connect this piece before you push it in. Should just basically line it up with the arrows. There's an arrow here and here, but you could see it from the holes as well. You could also scan this with your phone to download the app and set it up. Okay, so connected. That was super easy. I just connected it right now. Battery's at 41%. There's pretty much nothing here. So this is how fast you want to go. That is very fast actually. Headlamp, atmosphere lamp linkage, and cruise. I don't like cruise. And you could lock the scooter. Becomes hard to push. For the controls, we have our front drum brakes. We have our bell. If I hold this, it powers on. It tells you how much range is remaining. That will disappear in about 6 seconds. This is our battery meter. H means we're in its highest speed. And Bluetooth sign, which is connected to the phone. And the battery is at 41% according to the app. So if I press it once, the lights turn on. If I press it again, it turns off. Again, if I press it once, it'll go back on and off. Now, if I want to switch between the modes, I double tap. It's going to go M. Then it's going to go to L. And that's basically also the lowest and the walking mode basically. Double tap goes back to M, double tap goes to H. And if I triple tap, it's going to go to kilometers, and if I triple tap again, it's going to go to miles. So you could see your gauge, and then this is your throttle, and you do need to kickstart it. To fold the scooter, just push this down, you pull that down, and then you take this down, and then you kind of take it towards my way, and then you push it that way. And then oh yeah, this is definitely on the lighter side. This is one of the lightest scooters. So if there are stairs, this is stair friendly. I mean, it's not super light, but it's one of the lightest ones that I've tested. So, and when you're bringing it up, that's it. Now for the fun part, I took it out for a spin for a few miles to get a better feel. Now I rode it in various scenarios from hills to flat surfaces, downhills, sidewalks, and bumpy surfaces basically. So let's start with the hills. Now it's not great on the hills, and me weighing a little over 200 pounds is not exactly helping the situation. It did make it up the normal hills, but not the longer steep one, which is really in my mind the ultimate test for these budget scooters. For the flats, it does take me up to its top speed of 15.5 miles an hour with normal acceleration without any issues whatsoever. And for the downhills, it appears to max out at its rated top speed. Maybe a little bit faster than that, but it feels like there's some regen braking working in the background to kind of keep you near that top speed. Maybe you go a little bit faster than that. And the drum brake, I should say, does work just fine, and it is a linear feel. So it's not, when you're pressing it, it's not going to go from hardly braking to braking like crazy immediately, where you do have to be careful. Now, if you live in a hilly area and you weigh anywhere near my weight, I would recommend getting a more powerful scooter, which typically does cost more, but there are other benefits minus the portability. On the other hand, if you want a portable scooter that you plan on using in mostly flat areas that is very budget friendly, built very well, comes with that nice light bar on the bottom, then this is honestly, it's a very, very good scooter. Definitely worth considering. Now let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below, and as always, smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.